Today you will learn the 10 most important facts about altcoins that you absolutely should know. Whether you are a beginner or a professional, with these 10 facts you will be well informed. So stay tuned to take your knowledge to the next level. First, financial freedom. Cryptocurrencies give you the opportunity to regain control over your money without a bank or institution dictating what you can do. Independence is one of the greatest advantages of cryptocurrencies. Secondly, protection against inflation. In contrast to the traditional system, such as with fiat currencies, where inflation prevails, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin ultimately offer a limited supply. This means that they can potentially gain value in the long term, while fiat currencies ultimately depreciate. Then thirdly, they naturally offer the possibility of much higher return opportunities, albeit with higher risks. The past has shown that cryptocurrencies, despite their high volatility, can ultimately provide high returns. Many investors have ultimately achieved huge results and significant profits by investing early in projects. Then the next point, decentralization. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized and do not rely on a central authority. This makes them safer from government interventions and manipulations. They offer an alternative to the traditional financial system. And the fifth point, blockchain technologies. The technology behind cryptocurrencies allows transactions to be processed ultimately faster, cheaper, more transparently, and more securely. Many large companies are ultimately already experimenting with blockchain technology, and this shows how much potential it holds. Stop. If you want to find the best altcoins, then you are in the right place. I upload an altcoin analysis every Saturday and Sunday. Conduct an analysis based on my 20 metrics, and at the end, provide a price forecast. So definitely subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to activate the bell to not miss any insights. Then sixth, to diversify the portfolio. In other words, that you include cryptocurrencies in your portfolio, along with stocks and real estate, so that you definitely have additional potential there. Ultimately, cryptocurrencies also offer the opportunity to hedge against market risks. By including cryptocurrencies in your portfolio, you can ultimately spread your risk a little. Then the next point, access to banks. The banking system, traditional banking systems, are not accessible to everyone in the end. But that is the advantage of cryptocurrencies, because everyone ultimately has access to this with a mobile phone, which is a great benefit in developing countries where many simply do not have bank access. Next point is high liquidity. The widespread acceptance of cryptocurrencies has of course also led to increasing liquidity. This means that most cryptocurrencies can be exchanged for fiat currency quite easily, and it has innovation potential. Cryptocurrencies are ultimately a hub for innovations such as smart contracts, but also DeFi, meaning decentralized finance, and NFTs, as well as the AI sector. All of these are examples that ultimately build on blockchain technology and could revolutionize the industry. And the last but not least, digitalization, and the first steps towards further digitalization are a digital society that is constantly evolving into a digital world. An early entry naturally means more opportunities for you to really keep up with the upcoming developments and benefit from them. Now that I have presented you with 10 facts about altcoins and cryptocurrencies, I have a portfolio here that I personally hold, which is currently very relevant because it is involved in all the different and important narratives. I will link the video here. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to give it a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.